Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are stepping into the realm of speed, innovation, and ultimate automotive engineering with one of the most extreme hypercars on the planet, the 2026 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. Finished in a blazing orange color that demands attention before it even moves, this machine is not just a car, it's a statement of what human creativity and technology can achieve. The Jesko Absolut has already earned headlines for being the fastest Koenigsegg ever built, and today, we'll dive deep into its design, interior, performance, and pricing to see why it stands in a league of its own. Strap in, because this is going to be a wild ride. Exterior. Let's begin with the exterior, where the Jesko Absolut makes its most immediate and striking impression. Painted in a vibrant, almost molten orange shade, the car looks like it was forged in the heart of a supernova. The aerodynamic design is both aggressive and elegant, with every curve, crease, and vent serving a purpose. Unlike the track-focused Jesko Attack variant, the Absolut has been designed for straight-line speed and stability at astronomical velocities. That means no massive rear wing or complex aero clutter. Instead, it's been refined for clean airflow with twin vertical fins on the rear that improve directional stability without adding drag. The car sits impossibly low to the ground, with a sharp front splitter that manages airflow, a long stretched body, and a smooth, elongated tail section that reduces turbulence. The headlights are thin, futuristic LED units, almost reptilian in shape, giving the Jesko Absolut a predatory glare. Massive air intakes along the side feed air into the hungry twin-turbo V8, while lightweight carbon fiber wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires ensure both weight reduction and maximum grip. At the back, the twin-exit exhaust sits neatly between the rear fins, exhaling the fury of the engine, while the diffuser underneath is engineered to perfection. This isn't just styling for the sake of looks, it's a masterclass in functional design. The orange finish accentuates the carbon fiber details, and under the sun, it looks like liquid fire flowing across every panel. The Absolut is a car that looks fast even when standing still, and in person, it almost feels like a spacecraft that somehow landed on Earth. Step inside the Jesko Absolut and you'll find that Koenigsegg didn't just build a car for speed, they built a cockpit for pilots of the future. Opening the signature dihedral synchrohelix doors, you're greeted by an interior that blends luxury, technology, and racing focus seamlessly. The orange theme continues inside with subtle accents on the seats, stitching, and digital displays, giving the cabin a cohesive and striking personality. The seats themselves are ultralight carbon fiber shells, wrapped in premium alcantara and leather, providing both comfort and the support you need at speeds where your body will want to leave the car behind. The steering wheel is a compact, squared-off unit with integrated controls for the infotainment, drive modes, and essential functions, so the driver never has to take their hands off the wheel at critical moments. Directly in front of the driver is a digital instrument cluster, and here's where Koenigsegg shows off its genius. The display adjusts depending on the steering angle so that the most important information is always visible, no matter how much you're turning. The central infotainment screen is sleek, running Koenigsegg's own system that handles navigation, music, and telemetry data. Despite being a hypercar with extreme focus, the Jesko Absolut doesn't strip you of conveniences. You get climate control, Apple CarPlay, a premium sound system, and even luggage space, thanks to clever engineering. The cabin feels surprisingly airy because of the large glass area and slim pillars, making it a more comfortable space than many hypercars. Yet, it's always clear, this is a driver's machine. Every switch, every surface, and every detail is engineered for function, wrapped in luxury, and infused with Koenigsegg's Scandinavian minimalism. Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Jesko Absolut, the performance that makes this car legendary. Under the rear engine cover lies a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, developed entirely in-house by Koenigsegg. This isn't just any V8, it produces up to 1,600 horsepower on E85 biofuel, and around 1,280 horsepower on regular gasoline. Numbers that were once reserved for science fiction are now delivered in a road-legal hypercar. The Absolut is paired with Koenigsegg's revolutionary 9-speed light-speed transmission, which uses multiple clutches to allow instant gear changes without lag. It can even skip gears instantly, meaning you can go from 7th straight to 4th in less than a blink. The result? Seamless, brutally efficient power delivery that keeps the engine always in its sweet spot. Koenigsegg has said that the Jesko Absolut is the fastest car they will ever build, targeting speeds of over 310 miles per hour. While official top speed runs are still closely watched, simulations and Koenigsegg's engineering suggest it could exceed even that figure, potentially challenging the record books for years to come. Acceleration is equally mind-bending. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 2.2 seconds, and 0 to 124 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The car isn't just about going fast in a straight line, though. Thanks to active suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced aerodynamics, it handles with razor precision. At high speeds, the car remains planted and stable, with those vertical fins helping maintain straight-line composure. Brakes are massive carbon ceramic discs that ensure the Jesko Absolut can shed speed as violently as it gains it. Driving the Jesko Absolut is said to be a surreal experience. At regular city speeds, it's surprisingly manageable, with the transmission and suspension adapting to smoother, calmer driving. But unleash its potential, and it becomes something entirely alien, pushing the boundaries of what's physically possible in a road car. Prices. Now, let's talk about the cost of owning such a masterpiece. The 2026 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut starts at around $3.5 million, but with customization, special finishes, and bespoke options, that number can climb much higher. And considering Koenigsegg's extremely limited production numbers, even having the money doesn't guarantee you'll get one. Only a handful will ever be built, making the Jesko Absolut not just an engineering marvel but also an exclusive collector's dream. For that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying the fastest Koenigsegg ever made, a potential world record breaker, and a piece of automotive history. The rarity ensures that values will likely rise, making it an investment as well as an experience. The 2026 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut in its blazing orange color is more than just a hypercar, it's the physical embodiment of speed, innovation, and design perfection. From the aerodynamically honed exterior to the driver-focused yet luxurious interior, from its monstrous V8 powerplant to its record-breaking potential, everything about this car pushes boundaries. Koenigsegg has always been about rewriting the rules of what cars can do, and with the Jesko Absolut, they've created something that is both terrifyingly fast and astonishingly beautiful. It's not a car built for everyone, it's built for those who want to experience the edge of what's possible. So, whether you see it as a future record holder, an engineering marvel, or the ultimate expression of speed, the Jesko Absolut earns its place among the greatest cars ever built. If the future of hypercars looks anything like this, then we're in for an electrifying ride.